Meaning of grenadine.
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 Grenadine. Grenadine is a sweet and tart-flavored syrup used in cocktails and non-alcoholic beverages. It is typically made from pomegranate juice and sugar, although some variations may include other fruit juices or flavorings. While grenadine is often associated with bright red colors, it can also be found in pink or clear versions. Originally produced in the Mediterranean region, grenadine became popular in the United States during the Prohibition era as a way to mask the taste of bootlegged alcohol. Today, it remains a staple ingredient in many classic and modern drink recipes.